guys! I'm back. This is Corinne, your licensed real estate salesperson. And today's vlog will be featuring Ignatius Enclave 2 Model House. It is located at Xavier Estates Phase 6. Balulang, Cagayan de Oro. It has a minimum lot area of 120 square meters and floor area of 117 square meters. It is a single detached house with carport. It has 4 bedrooms, 3 toilet and bath. So in the ground floor, we have the living room, the kitchen, 2 bedrooms, and 1 toilet and bath. And in the second floor, it has 2 bedrooms, 1 master bedroom and guest room, and then in the master's bedroom it has own toilet and bath and walk-in closet and with a beautiful veranda, and it has a common toilet and bath. And here in the outside, so now this is the actual get floor tiles. It is a complete house with floor tiles, partitions, everything, and including the carport. Ignatius Enclave 2 is perfect for those who are looking for a overlooking subdivision. It has a beautiful view of Baungon, Bukidnon. No, so rest assured, it has fresh air, cold breeze, no, and then to those who are perfect for retirement, perfect for newly-wed couples, perfect for anyone, right? So invest na ta diri sa Ignatius Enclave 2. So to those who are interested, you can message me on this number, or you can Viber me, email me. I have my full details in the description box below. So, hope you have enjoyed this vlog. You also fell in love here in the Model House 3 of Ignatius Enclave 2. So, thank you all for watching. Don't forget to click subscribe. Bye!